Welcome to another Carbonwurks brand video. Today we are taking a look at Cobra Sport exhaust systems. So these guys have been in the game over 50 years, believe it or not. So dating back to the late 60s, these guys have been working with exhausts. They rebranded more recently in the early 90s to Cobra. And even more recently than that, in the last couple of years, they've started doing motorbike exhausts as well as these car exhausts. So what do you need to know about Cobra? So one of the first things you need to know is that, like many of our favourite companies, they are based here in the UK. They manufacture here in the UK in Sheffield. So much like ourselves, UK based, UK made, which is great. As far as the exhaust systems themselves go, they are TIG welded construction from T304 stainless. So best for longevity in terms of their construction and also the material. So it should stay looking like this for years to come. Beyond that, there is also an option of tip. So here we've got T304 stainless perforated tip. There's a non-perforated option, there's also a ceramic coated option, and most importantly there's a carbon option. So that covers all of those things. This particular exhaust system also requires a modified diffuser panel, which is supplied with the exhaust here, as you can see. So that's great. And lastly, you also need to know these come with a lifetime warranty. So for you as the original purchaser, any issues with this exhaust during the lifetime of it on your car, straight back to them, all dealt with, no problems at all. So that pretty much wraps it all up. This is a full system for a BMW we have in today, and just to give you an idea of their attention to detail, even the exhaust clamps themselves are branded as Cobra. So we're looking forward to getting this one in, seeing what we get in terms of a subtle noise upgrade, but predominantly cosmetic with this one. Thank you for joining us on this video. We'll see you on the next brand expose.